Welcome to your home with Alicia Smith, presented by F&S Building Innovations.
Today, let's talk about unused attic space. Lots of us have that unused attic space or bonus room over a garage, and it's just got stuff piled in there, lots of junk, old clothes, but you can do much more with that space. So if you're going to finish a space like this, you've got to make sure it's properly insulated. You've got to make sure that the proper electrical is run in order to climatize the space. So look around your house. If you've got a space like this, we can turn it into this. All these angles of the roof and the ceiling and the walls really gives you a lot of architectural detail. For this area, it became a man cave. Actually, I know it's up high, but it became an office, a great place for their workout, watch TV, a comfy couch to hang out. It's a great way to utilize that wasted attic space. So if you know that you need some more space in your house, but you're not exactly sure the way to get there, call the F&S Building Innovations Team. We'll send someone out to evaluate your space, look at all the rooms, look at the structural integrity, provide drawings, and make sure that you get the exact project that you want.
True quality stands the test of time. It is steadfast, it is reliable, it is enduring. F&S Building Innovations started in 1976, and more than 40 years later, the firm foundation remains. Faith and family. F&S Building Innovations is the area's leader in custom renovations, home additions, and commercial contracting. Trusted for generations. Trust our family to build for yours.
Build smart, build right.
F&S Building Innovations.
Innovations.